So what's up everyone? Right, I've already started. I got my headphones on because this thing can be really loud at times. So it's the next day. From yesterday I was so tired, taking up and trying to get as much of the water out of the car. There's still actually so much in there. So what I'm actually looking at doing now, I've removed one part of the center console. I'm going to look at doing that bit next and then hopefully take out the carpet. I honestly think that's going to be the only way to get all of the water out of this carpet. Gotta take it out, gotta squeeze the life out of it to get as much of the water off of it, and then from there deal with letting it dry up outside of the car. I don't want it to dry up inside the car because that could just cause another problem again. So just to see if I can show you guys just how bad it is. So like if I kind of see some, there you go. So it's all this spongy bit here, it just soaked up all the water. So that's what I'm struggling with right now. Right, I'm gonna carry on with all of that. I'm not gonna make you guys watch me go through it. It's just so boring. But let's get on it. Alright everyone, so now I'm actually going to look at doing the seats. It is very important to have a mask on. With the mold and stuff, you don't really want to be breathing that in. So I'm going to try and avoid that as much as I can by covering my face up with that. I'm also going to try and do the seat belts. I'm not sure how I'm going to go about doing that because obviously the machine and everything is just going to be really awkward. But I'm going to try my best. So this is going to be the fun but awkward bit. This stuff is literally like a sponge. Like, damn. This is so much water. Oh man, this is madness. What the hell? What on earth is going on here, man? This is crazy. Right everyone, so this is a quick update. Basically, I'm not going to hit the carpet out right now because it basically involves real enough removing all of the dash and everything, or because of those like bits and pieces of piping and everything like that. I don't know how much you can see in there, but yeah, it's going to be a lot more work than I'm looking to do today because I got to give the wet vacuum rug doctor back in a couple of hours. So what I'm going to focus on now is getting the seats and everything like that done. Just basically getting rid of all the mold and everything first. Yes, I know I'm going to be looking at stripping the interior and getting everything retrimmed anyway, but nobody wants to deal with moldy stuff when you're dealing with all of that. So just in case for anything, I'm just going to deal with it all now, and then I'm going to look into all the materials. Literally only the driver's seat's gonna basically be going back in for the time being, just in case I need to move the car. Otherwise everything's gonna be kept outside of the car. Let's have a look at the water. Now I'm pretty sure, is it here that it goes up to? Okay, right, so I'm pretty sure this is the one that I need to kind of, now, not all of that is from this car, but a lot of it is. Right, so that's all of the E30 interior done. All of the mold removed. I also did the carpets for the 6 Series as well. Did the seat belts, carpet here. Everything's all nicely cleaned up. Also did that car, did the Skyline as well. So every car's basically done now. I'm actually going to see if I'm able to take off the mold on the roof of the car. So let's see how that goes. So yeah, the roof thing didn't really work great, and since everything I have put this little heater, it's not that hot or anything like that, but it's just to create some hot air ventilation into the interior. I'm just going to leave that on basically and let it ventilate some heat in here. Try to dry up the carpet area as much as it can. Yeah, I've left the roof closed for the time being because it's not going to just let the hot air just go up straight away. It's going to try and keep it in. I'm just going to leave the door open and let that do its thing. So yeah. Right, so that's basically where the car's at right now, and hopefully now that I've got the interior out, I'm gonna try and look at speaking to a few companies to get some materials together to start redoing the interior. I have started to get some sketches done where I'm planning how I'm gonna change the interior up a little bit, make it a bit more modern slash classic. Don't get too twisted about that, trust me when I say it. It isn't gonna look all fancy and everything like that. It's gonna be classy. I've taken some good inspiration on from a lot of the other things that I've seen from before, so I'm always looking for ideas. So if you have anything that you would like to suggest what I do to this car, let me know. It's basically, when I think about it, it's gonna be getting stripped down quite a lot now, because hopefully I'm gonna look at starting to plan the engine swap soon. So if I have the interior out and then get my engine swap ready, which will mean, I don't know, it could even mean the prop shaft getting taken out, differential, subframe, all those things getting taken out. The car could basically become a rolling shell to get sent off for paint and everything like that. So we'll see how all of that goes. But yeah, please do subscribe to my channel for more content of how I'm going to be building this car. Obviously now I've got my 6 Series going on as well as my E30 and the Skyline basically for the time being. Until that car sells, I still have a few plans for it. So make sure you hit subscribe to catch up on all of that. This is just your average car guy doing his thing with his cars. So I hope to see you guys later. Leave a comment for me down below and leave a like if you like this video. Peace out, guys.